you follow rules? You like stuff looking like a pigsty? Keep it out there. Or you're supposed to bring him to a recycling center? Man, join the trash can. Now, on a serious note, yeah, we all do it. But rope-a-dope, man, costs money. People don't want to buy it. I don't want to get some twine. And I don't want to spend 60 some odd dollars for 6,300 feet over a mile. I want twine. That's going to cost me a lot less money. Can I just call 311 and request twine? Hey, deja vu. I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining me. If you see something that you like, you want to share something down below, you want to show a like, make a comment, show a love, thank you. Look at that beautiful sky. You can see it all cleared out. Like number 50. The rain is over there. It's gonna come. I can see the moon. What a beautiful day it is. And on that note, to all the world, if you celebrate the America holiday, Father's Day, happy Father's Day, everyone. Anyway, what's there to talk about? I'm going to go bike riding. Oh yeah. I want to talk about twine. Twine. I tie things most of my life and I use twine. And yeah, what's this comment about, oh, you're a do-it-yourself? Show us your work. Work with your hands, people. That's my work. DJI, why the hell did the aperture just raise up to let more light in? Is that sensor that I'm covering up right now? Are you going to make it darker? Make me look good, man. Somebody made a comment, oh, I look blurry 6 months ago. Well, 6 months ago is a different story. Go in, even at Lowe's, and I look at twine. Man, let me tell you, I spend about $6 or so, and I get paper twine. And man, it's not even consistent. It breaks every 3, every 4, every 2. It breaks when you pull it. It's not even strong. It don't even have any weight. And they claim it's to have so many pounds. Man, I must be like Hercules to break that twine by looking at it. I suppose just go grab my GoPro if you're going to act up like this, DJI. And yeah, I tie my cardboard up with twine. And let me tell you, I want to get twine that's going to be a lot. Now I got to add up 50 some odd dollars to compare to the amount of twine I get at Home Depot or Lowe's. But the thing is, I am going to go by the door. I'm going to take some twine that's there for free that you can use for anything you want. And the more I take, the less I got to get. No, that's not called stealing. When I go purchase things, that's what I'm going to go do. It's a courtesy. Twine. Oh, look at that sky. You can see airplanes flying, birds flying. With all this commotion and this tragedy, planes were still flying and they weren't being delayed. DJI, you shocked me. I see some sky. So I got some things to take care of. Maybe you order some tomato twine while it's still dirt cheap. People complain, oh, it unwinds. Well, it's not supposed to stay wound up, meaning twisted together, because it's just cheap twine. Oh, you gotta see this, people. You can see the moon, but you can't see the sun yet. With the sun being out, but all that covered by smoke, it was still hot. And you could feel the sun burning through it. The sun's not going to burn it away. It's the air, the water, the wind's gonna push it, get it away. It's still a cool day. I walked out without a shirt on. A sweatshirt, that is. I have a t-shirt on. Yeah. Oh yeah. 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 I fixed my phone cradle. Took it all apart again. Took it all apart. Put it back. By 5 times later, it'd be broken. I always sit down when I bike ride. I'm even sitting down when I'm yipping and yapping to you. Look how beautiful that sky looks right about here in the front. But everything that's out there, that's rain coming in. And we're going to need some rain. I'm waiting for that sun to rise for this beautiful day. Oh yeah, so many days ahead. Then that Sony ZV-1 Mark II. Over 2 weeks ago, this camera debuted. Not a single word is being said. Quiet on the storefront. Wouldn't you want to have that camera in hand right now? Are they really making that camera, seeing how many people pre-ordered it so they can give them out? So how many people did pre-order? 1, 200,000 people? So how many cameras are they going to make? 200,000, one for me because I didn't pre-order. With the Ulanzi arm mount for the desktop that clamps down that I got, oh man, let me tell you, that pushed my camera back just a couple more inches and it got it to where it needed to be at. But the problem I'm having is because the arm is like this and it goes on like that and like that, and the bottom arm is at the lowest, so the camera now is higher, but you have a ball head to adjust it. I wish they could have made the arm just come straight out, and what they could have done is put 2 pieces like this inside, so everything stays like this and not on top like that inside. Oh, I'm sorry, can you see? The Ulanzi arm is like this, stacked one on top of the other. If they would have made it like this, 2 pieces in to come flush out and to turn the locking mechanism like this, it would have been a lot flusher and level, and then you could have had that arm as low as you wanted to go. Also, what they could have done was give you like a handle on the ball head so that you could swivel it around and then to be locked in one particular place. I think I got another ball head that I can do that turn it around very easily. But I made it work. I'm happy. I love letting you know I haven't done a review on it yet. The quick release mounts that they have, made of aluminum, got some weight to it, but let me tell you, they are good. A little difficult to grip, but you know what? The locking mechanism is okay. It could have been just a little bit differently made, a little slide more. It'd be good to go, man. I'm happy with it. I am. I just gotta get used to it. I was able to take it off, put it around, take it off, and the more I use it, the less I just worry about it. I'll be happy. I really am. Well, is it better than the quick release of DJI? Hell yeah, man. At least I know I could trust something that locks into the Arca than some 2 little clips that barely hold the camera. But it's holding strong, DJI. DJI only problem, it don't want to start up at the beginning instantly. It takes by the time I end my video. Remember the song Rise Up? It's an old 80s song. Oh yeah, and there's another one. And I hear it playing in my mind, I just can't get it out, man. Sunshine, sunshine, it's sunshine, sunshine time. And that's another good old disco song. Oh, I like everything, man. I like all types of music. There is a house in New Orleans. It's called the House of the Rising Sun. So yeah, there's plenty of songs. I love that song. That's a good old rock song. Now the sun, it's out. It's shining bright. Oh yeah, burn baby burn. Oh yeah, it's time to get on out of here. I'm gonna stop melting. The sun is up. It's the golden hour. Like the movie The Golden Child? Oh, I watch that when it comes on all the time. I got some notes to answer, some reviews to do. I got things to take care of, and I got a lot to do. So yeah, you know who I am. I'm Fish, and I see you on many other videos to come. Check out the channel, see what you like, share what you want, and have a great day.